Emily.
And Miss Davis here. Guess what? We're going on a field trip to Target.
Yeah!
Hey, Miss Davis is back. We are at Target and we have our shopping list. So we are ready to go in.
Woohoo!
Okay, class, here's our shopping list. And we are going to start at the bottom of the list and look for a dog toy. So we're going to find the section in the store for pet supplies.
We're looking for the sign that says pet care, and it looks like it's right here.
And we have found the section for pet care. So let's go find our dog toy. So many toys to choose from. My dogs like to play with balls, so we're going to get these balls here for my dogs. Great job, everybody. Let's check dog toy off our list. Great job, everybody.
Next on our list, we are going to look for a wallet.
We have found the wallets in the men's section. We're gonna pick out this wallet
And put it in the shopping cart.
Great job, everyone.
Now we're gonna look for the zucchini, which should be in this aisle. Found it. Now I'm gonna put it in the cart.
Great job, everybody. Now we need to check it off our list.
It's not.
Good job, everybody.
Also in the grocery section. Here they are. Let's put them in the cart.
Great job. Now we need to check carrots off our list.
We will find tortilla wraps under the tortilla sign. Here's the ones we're gonna buy. Now let's put it in the cart.
Great job, everybody. Now we need to check it off our list. And now we have everything on our list, so we will head to the registers to pay for our stuff. Okay, so we're putting our stuff on the conveyor belt. All right, now we're going to have her ring those up and we're going to pay for them. Okay, we've already paid for everything. Here's our receipt. They've bagged it for us, and now we're heading to the car.
Yay!
Great job, everybody.